Hey guys, welcome back. This is Jake.
Hey, I'm Jared.
We're J&J 3D Printing. Today I want to show you a little scatter train we got by Txarli. Jared, why don't you tell us what we got here?
Sure. So up front here we have a Down Titan. This is a pretty cool scatter set here from Txarli factory. You can use it for 40K, you can use it for 30K. Most any sci-fi game that you want to play with, I think this would probably fit in pretty well with it. As far as print quality, these things print really nicely. If you have a 3D printer and are into printing, most everything I've printed from Txarli has been really a pleasure to print, to be honest with you. They turn out well. Nice. They use very minimum supports, if any at all, and the details really show up pretty well. I did these at a 0.2mm layer height, which is pretty standard. As you see, they look great.
Yep, and you see the scale. I mean, here's your standard Warhammer Mini. Works great for any tabletop wargaming needs. If you want Warhammer 30K, 40K, Star Wars, or Legion I should say, Horus, Hearsay, Adeptus, any of those, you put these down, you got immediate tabletop scatter terrain.
Behind the Down Titan, what we have back here, also from Txarli factory, is their trench setup. Again, this is 40K, 30K, sci-fi. You could use it for Legion if you wanted to. A really nice looking playable set that you can put down on your table, and actually pretty envious of your players would be my guess. I think most of them would be in awe if they got this on the table.
Half cover, full cover in the bunker, however you want to do it. You got doorways.
The thing that's nice about these pieces is they all interlock. If you see right here, they have a pretty simplistic just interlocking, so that once you block them in place, they're not going to really fall apart and slide around too bad. The other thing that's nice about this is, as Jake is setting up here, if you split this in half, you can have twice as much trenching, of course just on one side, but you can have twice as much trenching.
And instead of a double trench, you got a single trench.
Yeah. Really pretty versatile. You can get multiple pieces and multiple sets and put them together. It all comes apart. You can angle them however direction you want. A lot of versatility, a lot of playability in this piece.
You look on the inside as well, you got some pretty good detail with all the woodwork and the barricades being built up.
Yeah, I like what they've done here, even with they got the little lights on top of there, and even on over here you can see even the power conduit going to light. Just the small little touches like that really make this stand out. The other thing that's nice is if you don't paint, I'm not a painter. For me, this is table ready. I'll plop this down on my table. My players would enjoy playing on this. But if you do want to paint, Jake, give them some tips as to what they could do to maybe spruce it up if they want to.
You can do a quick and dirty down wash, just put a black wash on it. That'd make a world of difference. Personally, I would prime it black. These take paint without primer, but I like to prime. Use my Patriot 105 from Badger. Use some Stynel Res. Get a nice coat of black paint on it. Start with some darker grays, work up to lighter gray, just do a grayscale. You can use it. You can do that with any color. If you want to make it red, go with dark red. Go to lighter reds. If you want to go blues, same thing. You can do whatever you want. Throw on a wash on it. It'll get into the details, into the recesses, little highlights on the different skulls, the emblems, however you want to do it. It's really simple. It's your option. Experienced painters, you'll be done in an hour. If you're new, don't worry about it. Take you a day, you're still done. You got a great tabletop piece and it's going to look nice. The scatter terrain with the Down Titan is going to be the same thing. You can just give it a nice black wash. You can pick out some details. Hit that guy right there if you want. If you want that to stand out, there's just so many options to do. We're selling both of these on our Etsy shop. You can get them separately. You can get the whole piece together. It's just great tabletop pieces for your wargaming needs.
Again, guys, I appreciate you guys checking out our channel. If you would, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the share button, mark yourself for alerts, tell your friends, tell your parents, tell your dogs.
J&J 3D Printing,
J&J 3D Printing, Facebook,
Etsy, Instagram. J&J 3D Printing.
I'm Jared, this is Jake, and this is Txarli Factory. Thank you.